So my name's Charlie Dow. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Eastern Washington. I've been in private practice for a couple of years now and was a prosecutor for about a decade before that. The specific results I've seen in my business are a lot of leads, a lot of more telephone calls. Non-Stuffy was good enough to help build a website and improve that. And we've just seen a pretty rapid increase in revenue for somebody that's hung his own shingle. That was kind of a concerning thing that Non-Stuffy was able to take off my plate. They're able to show me the website statistics that I need to be looking at, need to be tracking, able to tell me what those mean. They've been able to provide and implement improvements to our call screening, our intake process. They mean it when they say they're not stuffy. They say they'll explain things in a way that makes sense to a practitioner like myself, just as I'm supposed to explain things to a client that's not on board with a lot of the legalese that we use. Targeted leads. We stopped receiving calls for divorces because we're a criminal defense firm. They were able to kind of tailor our marketing towards folks that really needed our help. We work with them, they work with us. They're always checking things I'm not checking anymore. They took on the project of rebuilding our website. It looks fantastic. I'm a highly localized firm, and Non-Stuffy was able to find iconic photos from our small community in order to advertise the fact that we're a local criminal defense firm here in Eastern Washington. I can see the numbers of customer interactions on our Google page. It's working. And I had no idea it could be this simple. I had no idea it could be this effective. And I had no idea that being a solo practitioner would be less scary.